Hey guys, Trevor Alexander here with Burns Saddlery. Today we're going to be going through sharpening stitch groovers. Now some people might think that they're a difficult thing to sharpen. People even buy different tips for them because they're difficult to sharpen. But with what I show you today, it should be a piece of cake for you to sharpen them. So what we're going to be using today, I have a 2000 grit diamond hone, I have some string, and I have some rouge, and then I have a strop. Okay, so when we're sharpening these tools, it's important to use a fine stone, so that we're basically just polishing the steel and just taking a little bit of material away. It'll make your tools last a lot longer, and it will make for a much cleaner cut using a finer stone. So if you had a piece of 2000 grit wet dry sandpaper and a piece of glass, you could also use that for this. I just have this diamond hone, so I'll be using that. So first we're going to find the angle to sharpen at. To do that, I'm going to lay my stitch groover on the diamond hone. I'm going to look for the shadow between the stitch groover and the hone. So I'm just going to lift that up until that shadow disappears. So as I'm sharpening, I'm going to roll the tool and try to keep it at the same angle as the shadow disappeared. Okay, now that we've touched it up on our diamond hone, I'm going to take a piece of string. This is waxed lacing tape. I'm going to take some green rouge, and I'm going to load up that string with green rouge. Okay, now that we have some green rouge on this string, I'm going to go ahead and place it inside the groove of our stitch groover, and I'm going to slide it through the stitch groover. This will polish the inside and take away any burr that we have on the inside. Okay, now that we have a couple passes with that string, we're going to take our strop that has green rouge on it as well, and I'm going to strop the outside in the same fashion that I ran it on the diamond hone. We're going to pull it away from the edge a little bit more than we were on the diamond hone, but still the same technique of keeping that angle. Okay, so now that everything is polished, your stitch groover should be nice and sharp. If it's not, go back through, try it again, and just keep honing it and keep polishing it until it's nice and sharp. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, now that we've got this style of stitch groover all sharpened up, we're going to go ahead to the other style of stitch groover that I have, which will be this compass style stitch groover. And it's essentially the same thing. We're going to go ahead and find the same angles, and we're going to get it all sharpened up. So this style, I kind of hold like a pencil when I sharpen it. So we're going to just rock it forward until that shadow's gone, and then I'm going to begin sharpening it. Okay, we'll just keep working that edge. So right now I'm making sure that there's no damage on the edge. You can see that this stitch groover has just a little bit of damage to the edge. So I'm going to keep working it on the stone until that edge damage is gone. Okay, so we're going to take our string again. I'm going to run it through the slot of the stitch groover. And then I'm going to strop the inside edge. You can see this one has a considerable burr on it because it's chewing that string up. So we'll just keep stropping it until that burr is gone. Now that it's not chewing the string up, we're going to go to the strop again. We're going to strop the edge. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and test it on a piece of leather. And that's cutting really nice. So that is how you sharpen both types of stitch groover. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps you maintain your tools and keep them sharp. You can find more instructional videos, including entire courses on leatherworking projects at learnwithillume.com.